Class 10, Chapter 1, Real Numbers, Exercise 1.2, Question number 6. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. First, we will see what is the difference between prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which only have two factors, which are 1 and the number itself, whereas composite numbers are the numbers which contain more than two factors, which means composite numbers also have factors other than 1 and the number. So, let us see whether the numbers given to us have more than two factors. Let us take the first number. Taking 13 common from this number, we can write it as 13 times 7 into 11 into 1 plus 1, which can be further written as 13 times 77 plus 1. Then we can write it as 13 times 78. On finding the product of 13 and 78, we get the value of the number, which is 1014. We know that 1014 can be represented as 1 into 1014. From this, we can say that this number 1014 does not only contain the factors 1 and the number itself, but also the factors 13 and 78, which means this number is a composite number. We move on to the next number. Taking 5 common from this expression, we can write it as 5 times 7 into 6 into 1 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1, which can be further simplified as 5 times 1008 plus 1, which is written as 5 times 1009. On finding the product of 5 and 1009, we will get the value of the number, which is 5045. We know that 5045 can be represented as 1 into 5045. Again, from here we can see that this number does not only have the factors 1 and the number itself, but also the factors 5 and 1009, which means this number has more than two factors, and hence it is a composite number. Therefore, we have explained why the two numbers given to us are composite numbers.